A quick tip if you're exploring Tokyo, get a 24-hour or 48-hour unlimited Tokyo subway pass. We booked our Tokyo subway ticket through Klook app. Promo code MGRISKLOOK. Super easy to redeem and exchange to physical ticket. Simply scan QR code from Klook.
Pakita mo, 24-hour yan, ticket.
At least hindi ka malilito dun sa 24 and... Ay, pwede na natin gamitin alinman eh.
Kaya na ma-activate agad siya ngayon.
Ay, oo nga. Yeah, bobo.
Kaya huwag kayo magkakamali. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, tago na natin.
A single trip in Tokyo usually costs around 170 to 210 yen. So the unlimited Tokyo subway ticket quickly pays for itself, and you can hop on and off trains freely. Download Klook app and use promo code MGRISKLOOK for discount.